Meet Wesley. Wesley works 9 to 5. It pays fairly well and helps keep him afloat. But he finds that monthly he spends more on debt and has little to no money to help him survive in his ever fluctuating economy. Wesley one day says to himself, "I'm tired of surviving. I want to leave." See, Wesley always considered himself somewhat of an entrepreneur, so he decided to leap and open a fast food restaurant called Wesley's Joint. Congratulations, Wes. You've taken the first step. Now here's where reality begins. It's not so rosy running a business now, is it, Wes? I thought it would be a breeze. Open up a restaurant, make incredible meals, hire some staff, and watch the money pile in. What could I have gone wrong? If I were McDonald's or KFC, bet you people would take me seriously then. Oh, but Wes, what if I told you you could be McDonald's or KFC? What you talking about, mister? Well, take a seat, champ. Let me illuminate your mind. Wes, have you ever heard of franchising? Yes, I've heard of it. I'm just not too familiar with it. Well, a franchise is a license that grants an individual access to a business' proprietary knowledge, trademarks, and processes. You still with me? Good. In other words, Wes, that means you can acquire a license that will allow you to be a franchisee of a McDonald's, Burger King, or KFC, and any other franchise that you desire. With such a variety of franchises available to you, you can choose beyond food. You can purchase a laundromat, a cleaning company, even a home improvement company. Among some of the best home improvement companies in South Africa is Roof and Paint Solution. What is Roof and Paint Solution, you may ask? Well, Roof and Paint Solution is a home improvement company that deals with renovation, mainly painting of homes, hospitals, shopping complexes, and hotels. It has a potential for exponential growth and has an impeccable history of great service. The company grosses substantially and is a perfect company to purchase for someone who may have reservations about renting office space, as it is a home-based company. Of course, a franchise does not come cheap. There are heavy startup costs which you will have to manage. There's ongoing royalties which you will be required to pay. These costs may vary depending on the industry. Franchising contracts may vary, and one thing about venturing into a franchise is when you sign a contract, you must stick to its stipulation and see it through. There will be penalties if you don't, champ. Before you start throwing a fit and denounce everything that has to do with a franchise, there are immense advantages to acquiring a franchise. Supposedly, you're looking at buying a food outlet. You will find that the business has a ready-made formula, whether it is the way that the food is prepared, a secret ingredient, all the way down to the look and feel. Furthermore, it comes with market-related products, services, training, as well as financial planning, meaning you acquire an already proven business system. Sometimes it may not be necessary to start from the dirt. You can merely just purchase a winning business system. So go out and make the world your oyster. If you find this content useful, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.